Hey YouTube, Crafty Tech, back with the '09 Versa. I'm doing the driver's control arm right now, and I noticed you have to jack up the transmission to get one of the bolts out. Now, you have to remove your battery, the air intake filter housing, and then you'll have to remove 2 bolts holding this plate on. There'll be 2 nuts there. The bolts fall at the bottom, so you got to catch them. And you don't need to support the engine when you take these 2 out. Do not take this one off though, because your engine and transmission will just fall. And then once you got that secured, you can jack up on the center there. I don't want to jack on the transmission pan, so I jack in the center. It doesn't take much force. And this bolt here in the front, that's right, comes out right here. It actually hits the transmission, so you can get a pry bar in here from this angle, and you can move the transmission up that extra 5 millimeters that you need to get the bolt out. Here it is. It's pretty long. Okay, this is just a quick tip for somebody wondering why the bolt won't come out. Hopefully this helps somebody. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoy content like this, like it, and have a good one.